In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Track Trader's leaderboard on Axiom. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free on here, and you can use their wallet tracker, their amazing Twitter tracker, their polls and P&L trackers. They also have an amazing reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You can set your own presets for buy and sell settings and set your slippage, priority and bribe fees as you wish. You can use their amazing filters, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. So to actually see your Track Traders leaderboard, this has been a new update, and you want to switch to the Vision tab up here, and then you want to go to Tracked over here, which is going to be the fourth tab from left to right. And over here, I currently have no tracked wallets, so there's nothing showing over here, but when you are actually tracking them, you're going to see the list of them and how they're doing as a leaderboard. Now, of course, you can sort this by either PNL USD, PNL Solana, etc., so all things over here, and you can sort by either descending or ascending. Here, you can also search different tracked wallets by their names, etc., so in case you have a lot of them, you can just search up here, and you can basically set the different time periods over here as well, and then via that you can of course find out whatever you're trying to find out. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.